Hello my friends, my name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and today we are on a 2016 327 center console by Intrepid powerboats. I'm going to walk you through it.
This 327 center console by Intrepid powerboats is an instant classic, the preferred yacht tender for many mega yachts, as well as one of the most popular center consoles in the industry. This boat gets respect from fishermen, captains, boat enthusiasts, and boaters like you. She is powered with imron painted, twin Yamaha 300 horsepower outboard engines. These engines have been impressing me for years. Combined with the single step hull design of Intrepid, you have a winner. Starting from the rear, you have a transom walkway to port side that closes with a fiberglass door. At the transom, you have a convenient freshwater flush kit for the engines. To starboard, you have an above deck baitwell that is self-bailing. Fiberglass folding rear bench seat closes to give you a more entertaining and fishing experience. After fun in the water, the dive door is the most convenient way to get in. It locks away securely with two stainless steel latches. Intrepid's Ocean Elite helm seat moves forward with a push of a button and has rod holders that act as cup holders behind the seat. To each side of the fiberglass base are deep drawers for storage. Under the helm seat is a Yeti cooler on slides. These coolers hold ice for days. There are 6 rod holders on the gunnel with options to add as many as you want later. The bow and stern rod holders act as placements for full sunshade poles. The console has a 16-inch widescreen Garmin chart plotter with the capability to link almost any electronics device you can think of. A VHF is conveniently placed under the steering. Windlass control at the helm is helpful. Fusion stereo with JL audio speakers are fun to have, and for docking, the bow thruster is appreciated. She has a fiberglass top with enough real estate to accommodate many electronic units. There are recessed multicolor LED lights under the hardtop and under the gunnel. The powder-coated white aluminum legs for the fiberglass top is a maintenance dream. Walking forward to the bow, you will find a large seating area for long hours of entertaining. There's an electric backrest on starboard and port side. There is plenty of storage all around. For your guests, the option to turn this area into a sun pad for sunbathing is available. The forward console has seating for 2, and with a push of a button, the console has an electric door that slides for front access. The head has plenty of room with sink and freshwater washdown. There's also dedicated storage for the forward seating filler. Everything about this boat is amazing. It flirts with fun, fishing, and exploration. Decide last minute to go boating, and you'll have no problem with this style boat. When you return, you give it a flush, a rinse, and she'll be waiting for you the next time around. My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and I want to thank you for letting me walk you through this beautiful boat. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it.